So that's a really, really important question because you know, you can put all the makeup you want on your face, but if your skin and your diet is not right, makeup is only gonna do that much for you. So the first and most important thing in beauty care and your beauty regime is your diet. I would say that comes first. We all know it, but we still don't do it as much as we should. You should have a lot of water. I think for me personally, I drink up to 4 liters a day, but I think, you know, you can do what's right for you. But a lot of water is very important to keep your skin glowing and looking fresh. The other thing that I try to follow in my diet, which is low on any kind of foods which can cause inflammation in your skin. So I try to avoid dairy, I try to avoid gluten, and I try to avoid anything that has refined sugars. You'll see a big difference in your skin for sure.